Managing money does not have to be complex. This is the simple budget sheet, made for people just starting to manage their money. In the transactions ledger, 1 row per entry. The number and month columns fill in by themselves. Once you enter the date, type, category, amount and money source, the number and month appear right away. Categories and money sources come from dropdowns you declare once in the Setup tab, so there are no typos. The Spending Limits tab shows which categories are about to run out for the month. The bar runs from green to amber to red, with a status, OK, close to limit, limit reached, or over. Change the month in the period cell, and the whole table recalculates for that month. The Expense Insights tab lists the 5 biggest expenses of the selected period. Below it is a category by 12-month heat map. The redder the cell, the costlier that month. 2 auto-written notes at the bottom tell you exactly where to cut back. The dashboard keeps just 3 core numbers: balance left, total income, and total expense. Pick a month in the viewing cell, and every figure and chart follows that month. The donut answers where the money goes, and the 2-color line compares income with expense. 1 ledger in, and every statistic updates itself. Simple, and just right for beginners. Scan the code to see more spreadsheet templates.